In this video, I want to show you how to solve coordinate mismatch problem in SAGA GIS. If you want to overlay two layers and there is a kind of mismatch in the coordinate system, how to solve it. So in SAGA GIS, I have this digital elevation model. Now in a situation where I want to overlay my study area on the digital elevation model and I found out that there is a mismatch, how do I solve it? So let me show you exactly what happens. For instance, I have this digital elevation model here. If I want to overlay my study area, what I will do is to double click and select the map, which is my digital elevation model, and click on OK. Now, this is the problem. You can see the notification here is that the coordinate system used by the layer is not identical with the one of the map. So there is a kind of mismatch. So, however, if you should click yes here, it will surely overlay it, but you will not be able to run analysis with it. You can't carry out operation with it because there is a mismatch. For instance, if you want to do clipping, it will not work because there is a mismatch. So when you're having a problem like this, where you have two layers that has coordinate mismatch, I want to show you how to solve it. So to solve it, let me close this. The problem, you have to verify the problem. If I click on this digital elevation model and come to description, so you can see that the coordinate reference system of this first layer, which is digital elevation model, is projected coordinate system, WGS 1984. So this is the coordinate system of this very layer. However, if I come to my study area, if I click on it, so you can see that the spatial reference system is geographic coordinate system, that is geodetic coordinate system. So you can see that this one is geographic, while this first one is projected coordinate system. So as a result of this mismatch, you cannot overlay this on the second one. So to solve it, you need to project this study area to be in the same coordinate system with the first one. So to do that, come to geoprocessing and come to projection. Then come to coordinate transformation shape. Click on it. So when it opens, come to source. Click here and select your study area you want to project. Click on it. Then the target, choose create. Then here, the projected coordinate system, click here and look for the coordinate reference system of your study area. And here is it. Click on it. Then click on OK. So this will create a new layer here. So this new layer, if I want to add it to this very digital elevation model now, is to double click and select the map and click on OK. Yes, you can see it. This is my study area overlaid on that digital elevation model. So if you are having layer mismatch in your data, this is how to solve it in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.